Hi boys and girls, today we are practicing pausing, phrasing, and punctuation. Good readers follow punctuation when they read. We pause at commas, periods, and question marks. If we do not follow punctuation, it makes it hard to understand what we have read. Okay, get your papers ready. I want you to put your finger under the first word. Alright, everybody's finger should be under the first word. I want you to read with me. Don't go too fast, don't go too slow, and remember to pause at the punctuation. Ready? There is a limit to how much fresh water is in our world. Each year, more and more people are using water. There is less water for people to drink. It takes planning to save water. These are some things you can do inside and outside your home. Don't have the water running when cleaning dishes. Scrub them and then turn on the water for rinsing. If water is dripping from a tap in the sink, fix the tap. Water is good for you. Drink a lot of water to stay fit. But do not fill your glass so much you spill and waste the water. Save drinking water that is left over. Use it to water plants inside. Turn off water while brushing. Take a shower, not a bath. Do not let the tub get plugged up. Water the plants when it is not too hot. They will get more water. If you are going to have fun with a hose, do it on the grass. This way, the grass gets water at the same time. It makes sense to save water. If each of us helps, then there will be water for all people in the world. How did you do? Hope you did a good job.